Hello everybody, Mr. Maxidon1. How y'all doing? I'm back with an update video. My second part of my order for my packout came in. So let's get into it. Got a magazine with stuff and then another booklet. Little voucher. And another little piece here. See all that? Set that over here. Oh, this time they got bubble wrap in here. Oh, what the hell? Okay, now this doesn't look right. Looks like they only sent me half of my last half order. So that's not good. So I'm only looking and seeing only one in here. I'm gonna flip this box upside down here for y'all. Use this as a stand. So as you can see, this is a 2-drawer. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And of course, you're going to get only one set of dividers in this. And you get the Milwaukee booklet. So while we have this open, I'll go ahead and do some dimensions for you all. So it looks like 16, almost 16 and a half inches. So it's like about a couple, I'm trying to see, it's 3/8. Yeah, almost 16 and a half, almost. And then we'll do this. And this is about 12 and maybe 5/8. And then we're going to do the depth, see what the depth is here. And looks like about 5 1/4. Let's see here. So just like that. So you make sure there's nothing in this one. And so that's pretty deep. So there's that. Something else I want to show you all. So let me go ahead and get right back to you. Okay, so I did take my setup and actually take it off the 2-wheel cart or toolbox, the large one, and put it on my Dolly. So this is what it looks like, and I'll go ahead and get a tape measure so you can see exactly about how tall it is from the floor up. So this looks like it will be just shy of 4 feet tall. Now with just the 3 drawers, that will be 2'11", give or take. 2'11". That's with the cart in the 2 3-drawer cart or Dolly. The 2 3-drawer boxes on top of the Dolly cart. Um, there's that. And with this cart, it's nice to have these handles here to kind of help move it around. And I did notice this. There is a little bit of play with this on top, along with that one. But when you go to this one, there's no play. So I don't know if that's, I have no idea what that's all about. But so anyway, there's that. So I want to go ahead and take this apart, and I'm going to put the other one on there, and then we're going to see and measure. I kind of wished I had to. I had to call Acme Tools, and they were very great. They are going to figure out what happened, and most likely they didn't have enough, probably. So they only shipped me one. But he's supposed to contact the shipping department, and he's supposed to let me know what happened, and if they did count for it and they have it, they're going to send me another one. So they're very helpful as far as getting stuff taken care of. So they're a great company to get in with. So definitely, if you're looking for something, Acme Tools, you all are great. Love you. Customer service, awesome. So let me get that done and we'll get going. Okay, so even though I've only got the 2 drawer pack out and two of the 3 drawer pack outs, this is pretty freaking tall. This is just about as tall as me right now. So I can imagine when I get my other one, it's going to be taller than me. And I'm about 6 foot. And so, like I said, this is just almost there. So let me go ahead and grab my tape measure. And we will measure from the floor up. And it looks like 5'1". Yep, about 5'1". So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and I'll show you what it's with these 3 pack outs by themselves. So y'all know what the 2 by themselves are like as far as height wise. So we'll go ahead and measure that one on top. So I might have to take these completely off and only use two drawers, 3 drawers, because this is going to be a good 6-7 foot tall. Yeah. So you can imagine everything, but these wheels are, oh my god, you can tell the weight's on there because you can't spin it very well as far as like spinning it around circles. But I can sit here and pull it, and they're nice and smooth. They don't make any sounds. They twist, they turn, and I think that's the one thing with this setup that you couldn't do with the 2 cart or the 2 wheel Dolly, is the fact that when you put these on, you got the width, the long width to use to go to the door. That is a downer because that's the only width you have. Now with this, I can turn it this way and have the more narrow side. So you can see now I can fit through a door that's under 1 foot 5 inches compared to 1 foot 10. So that's so 1 foot 10 and 1 foot, what we say, 1 foot 4. So that's 6 inches difference. So sometimes that 6 inches could make a big difference. So that's where these cart or dolly things here come in handy, because like I said, this might not fit through some doors. You might have stuff sticking out the door. You might have the door open and it's going to cut down a little bit. So with having this and turning it sideways and going through a door makes it even easier. And as you can see, my door, yeah. And so that makes it a lot easier. So let me go ahead and take this top part off and measure just these 3 pack outs. I'll be right back. Okay, now we're ready to measure the 3 boxes together. So this will give you a better idea on how tall this is. And so we turn this over here. Oh, even a little more. So you're standing about 4'1" and an eighth, roughly. So that's still a good bit. And then you figure if I put another one, another 2 drawer on top of that, you're still looking at about 5 foot, if not more. Let me roughly eyeball that. About, say 14 inches. So yeah, it's just going to be about 5 foot, maybe a little more than 5 foot, with all 4. There you go. And like I said, I gotta wait until they send me another one, because apparently they fucked up. Oh, sorry, they screwed up. So, but like I said, they're doing their job. They're trying to correct it. So thumbs up to Acme Tools. Love them. Great. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're not a Forever Like fan, hit that Forever Like button. We greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because then that'll notify you the next time I upload a new video. Have fun. Be safe. Ride safe. Peace.